Hey guys, this is Leah from leahcanseco.com. Today's video I will be showing you guys how to use Tailwind for Instagram. A lot of people know about Tailwind for Pinterest, but Instagram is actually partners with Tailwind to use for scheduling posts, and actually Tailwind lets you auto post onto your Instagram account if you have a registered business Instagram account. So Tailwind came out with this new feature on hashtags, and I'm going to be showing you guys that. I'm going to take you through the whole process on how Tailwind actually works for Instagram. So when you sign up for Tailwind, you'll have this dashboard. Now you can actually have up to as many posts as you want to do for the day. Over here on the right side, these are actually posting times on when Tailwind thinks that you should be posting for your audience, rather than taking a guessing game on when your audience is on, or more to make your content go viral. Tailwind actually has that data for you rather than you trying to figure it out on your own. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do bulk posts on here. So I've already created an album with a few pictures, and I'm just going to drag it to my Tailwind. So let me see. Oops. My window was actually in the way for that. Okay, so I'm going to grab these photos. I'm going to upload this here. So with Tailwind, you can actually bulk upload as many photos as you want, rather than doing one at a time, which takes pretty long. And then it's going to show up over here. As you can see on the right side, it's populated the photos. Now you can change those once you schedule the post. See, the good thing about scheduling with Tailwind is you see these preloaded hashtags. These are already most of my hashtags. You can see that it is about fitness. So once Tailwind gets to know what your posting is about, then they will populate here with the recently used hashtags. Now you can say something about use bands for this workout, and then you can see that it changed the hashtags on the bottom. So now it has the suggested hashtags that they have. There's a niche, there's a good, there's best, there's competitive. So it's really easy. You can go and click at, let's see, you can type in fitness, hashtag fitness, where I'm going to use it for this demo. You can see that muscle is here, competitive, and it will actually tell you how there's 43.9 million posts about that. You can see more suggestions and keep going. You can go, say, fitness motivation, and see the different kinds that pop up. Look, fitness inspiration. You can add that, and then things will start changing again. Abs, fitness world, fitness guru, and so on. Like, it will just change and populate for you, rather than the old way of when you'd have to go look on Instagram for your hashtag, make a set of 30 of those. Instagram actually allows you to have 30 hashtags. So you can have a template, save it on your notepad, and post within every so often of your different posts, right? You want several hashtag templates for that. Well, with Tailwind, it makes it very easy. You don't have to have those set templates. You can have it already here, and then it can be saved on Tailwind. And that's basically it. It's pretty awesome that this feature has been added. I'm going to add this to the key, and you can see that it's right here on the side. Now, these ones haven't been added yet, but you'll be able, if you want to post it on a different day, you can just drag and drop it, and it's right there. and you're good to go. Now, again, if you have a business account already, it will auto post for you. If you just have a regular account, then it'll prompt you on the app, and then you can post it. And that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'd be more than happy to answer it. That's it.